We are going to start our letter scavenger hunt game. Okay, the first letter is you have to find the object for letter G. What is that, Rubini?
Good.
Okay, Cesar. Well done, both of you. Now let's move to the next letter. So now you have to find the object for letter O. O. Letter O, please.
Eye.
Yes. Cesar?
Orange.
Orange. Friends, can we have something from this letter? Just making the sound of this letter. Very good. Aaron done. Sia done. Kashvi. Priyansh, very good. Done. Very good. Very good. Everyone done. That was good. Notes. We have notes. Okay, friends, can we have something from this letter? Something from this letter. Sia done. Very good. Aaron done. Yes, Priyansh done.